Hi, my name is Madeline Larson and I am a senior at Lowell High School. I am the external co-president of Generation STEAM, and one fun fact about me is that I love hiking and going on nature walks around the city. I'm very excited to collaborate with my fellow board members and volunteers in order to put out some really cool videos for you guys.
Hi, I'm Holly Lee, and I'm a senior attending Abraham Lincoln High School. I'm the internal co-president of Generation STEAM, and a fun fact about me is that I love going outdoors. I look forward to working with all of you through our science and art projects.
Hey everybody, my name is Zacharando. I'm a senior at Sacred Heart Cathedral, and I am the external co-president for Generation STEAM. I'm super excited to be working with you guys, and I hope to give you guys opportunities to engage in fun STEM-related activities.
Hi everybody, my name is Nicholas. I'm very excited to be working with all of you at Generation STEAM this semester. I hope that I can help foster your growth in science and develop your passions in STEAM.
Hi, my name is Joyce. I'm a senior attending Abraham Lincoln High School. I'm interbranch coordinator of Generation STEAM. A fun fact about myself is I love to paint. I'm looking forward to working with everyone through our science and art projects.